be brought back, because time waits for no one. Our heroes must come and rest, and they must come and rest properly. In conclusion, for the ambassadors, I have a special message to you. President Macron invited, because I spoke to the French ambassador. President Macron, the French ambassador, is here. President Macron invited President Ramaphosa to functions in Paris. President Ramaphosa then said he shall be represented by the Honorable Gayton Mackenzie. Now you hear yesterday in Parliament there was a fight. They called me a bandit. I said, I can't get angry. People say, Mamse, why don't you get angry? I said, in life, you must always consider the source. Who's speaking before you react? If His Excellency, the first citizen, Matamela, Sir, Erimuratan Kaufela, Ramaphosa, is calling me, speaking to his equal in France, that and seeing me worthy of saying, I'm sending honorable. How can I worry about people that's going through a serious divorce in the Progressive Alliance? When they say the revolution will eat its children, they're talking about that arrangement that they are having there. South Africans, I got to Paris when I got to the door,